Guys, have you ever thought you can customize your sneaker below 2000 rupees? Of course, it's a big yes, and ToeSmith helps you to do that. What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another sneaker review. This is not a normal sneaker review, guys. This is one of its kind because the sneaker which I'm gonna review in this video, you can customize according to your taste. Before starting the video, yes, officially we are done with 2020, guys. We are into next year 2021. I wanted to give you guys something from my side, so there will be a winner for this giveaway. More on the details at the end of the video. If you want to customize your sneaker before, you have to go for the premium brands in order to customize the color combinations you want, in order to customize the patterns you want. And after paying the premium as well, you're not going to get the entire options of customizability. But however, there is this brand called ToeSmith. This is India's first brand where you can customize your footwear. They have multiple options, not only in terms of the sneakers, but they do have the slides, they do have the mules, and they do have the slip-ons as well. This is not a sponsored video, guys. Before going into the review, a quick disclaimer. I just received the items for review, not to reveal something, but just I wanted to say this on a lighter note. I do receive products from different brands for review, but each and every one of them don't end up in my video. Only if I feel that the quality is great, at least on par for majority of the people, I will include in the video. If you guys are seeing this video, that means the quality is at least par or above par for this one. The first and foremost point we have to discuss, why someone have to go for this brand at a price point of 2000 rupees. As mentioned, the X factor for this brand is customizability. You can customize literally every part of the shoe, starting from the quarters of the shoe, be it the vamp of the shoe, or even the upper heel counter as well. Even you can draft your initials as well if you want to. I don't want that, so I did not. And this process is so simple, guys. I will quickly tell you guys how I customized my sneaker. This is one of my favorite jackets since last 1 year, whatever I shopped across different halls. It's so simple and it's so breathable, be it a linen shirt jacket from H&M. So I want to customize my sneaker with the same prints. If you go to the ToeSmith website, either you can pick the designs which are already existing on the website, which are actually good, by the way, but the X factor here is customizability. Why you have to pick the design or a print which is already existing on the website? There should be some personal touch to it. Whatever your personal taste, whatever your personal style, that should resonate with your sneakers if you're opting for a ToeSmith brand. So what I did, I just clicked a picture of this and I just uploaded it. That's it. The remaining portion of the shoe, whatever I want, I just kept it the white color because the base of the sneaker is going to be white. Either you can go for the solid colors, different color blocking kind of a sneakers, starting with the design of the sneaker. The basic design of the sneaker stays the same irrespective of the customizability you're opting for. Be it a pattern or be it a solid, whatever you're choosing for. If you do not opt for any of the prints, I don't know like who will be opting for this brand if you want to just go for a plain white sneaker. But if you want one, the base would be the plain white sneaker. It's a low top white sneaker. They do not have high top white sneakers. And among the low top, you can customize each and every part of the shoe except for the heel. That you have to consider, and the design for me, it looks great. It is good enough. Here when it comes to the quality of the sneaker, the quality is great. I do not have any problem with the quality of the sneaker, but however, there is a minor disqualifier when it comes to the prints. I just clicked the picture. It's a JPG format, right? So when you upload to the website, generally it gets compressed. And that too, even though this print which I opted for, it's a simple print, it's having that different colors to it. All the colors are muted, but that has been processed and that has been done right. But if you observe that very closely, you can immediately notice that slightly there is a color fade when it comes to the print. Slightly, ever so slightly, not by too much, but that is a minor disqualifier you have to note. I think if I would have opted for a print which have at least a bolder colors or which have colors that are not too close enough for the prints, maybe it would have been better. Honestly, I expected a little bit better. And also the fabric which they have gone for at the cup portion of the shoe, which is the white fabric. The fabric doesn't seem quality to me. I use these shoes like 4 to 5 times and that fabric, it is like little tough to clean and it gets dirty very easily. And also the laces are a little bit on the thinner side. Whatever the footwear you're gonna buy at whatever price points, the main emphasis needs to be on the comfort of the shoes or whatever the footwear. I have gone with the size 9 for the sneaker, just for the reference. And the sneakers, surprisingly, I was literally surprised with the comfort of this sneaker. It's not anywhere near the comfort of other bigger brands which they offer. But when it comes to the low top sneakers, and that too the sneakers being so thin and lightweight, they have gone with the insoles which have a slight cushioning to it. It feels comfortable. The comfort is really optimum, or if I can say more than optimum. But there is one factor which I am a little bit concerned. The insole, even though it is having that slight cushioning to it, I am not sure how it will fare with time. You guys can see not only just the sneakers from the ToastSmith, you also can see the slides. For the slides, I have gone with one of my other favorite print from the Zara shirt. That's the zebra print. For the zebra print, actually you do already have the customized version in the ToastSmith, or else you can opt for like how I did that. Coming to the advantages of the slides are pretty comfortable for what they are charging for. But I feel there is a subject to minor disqualifier when it comes to the slides. The slides are a little bit wide to my liking. My foot size is 9. In terms of length, they are perfect, but however in terms of the width, actually they are like little bit loose to me. Overall, the quality of the slides for the price they are charging for is great, guys. Coming to the final question for this video, are they worth it? For this, my answer is a mixed one, yes and no. This is for two categories of people. The first one, let's discuss about yes, for whom it's gonna be worth. If you already have the bases covered when it comes to the color of the sneakers and also in terms of the shoes. If you want to customize the sneaker with your personal style, with few of the favorite pieces which you already have, or some specific kind of scenario if you want a customized sneaker, for you guys, it's definitely worth. It's a big yes. So the answer for no, for whom? If you have just 1 or 2 pairs of sneakers as of now, I think you would be better off purchasing other sneakers or other shoes in your shoe closet rather than investing in a customized sneaker. That's what you have to consider. So I feel that for me, if I have to purchase with my own money, I feel that it is worth spending 2000 rupees, even though the quality would not be as great as the sneakers from the other bigger brands which you can get that after discount at a price point of 2000 rupees. I completely and totally agree with you. I can do that. But this scenario would be applicable if you already have them. If you already have at least like 2 or 3 great quality pairs, then you can opt for this, because these are going to be the statement pieces, guys. Not each and every one have the customized sneaker or a sneaker which resonates your style. That's where ToastSmith generally shines. As we are talking about that, are they worth it or not? Let's discuss about the price. The title for the video is under 2000 rupees, right? But the sneakers actually they are priced at 2500 rupees. You must be thinking that why it has been mentioned under 2000 rupees. As you're part of the Find Your Style family, you guys are gonna get an extra 20% discount by using the coupon code on the screen. Make sure that you avail. In case if you want to purchase the sneaker, there would be a link in the description as well, and also the coupon code will be mentioned in the description. So there will be one winner for this giveaway. The winner can pick any of the footwear option from ToastSmith. You can customize with whatever design you want. You will receive the sneaker at your doorstep free of cost. Everything is on me, guys. For that one winner, I literally want to give something to each and everyone, but practically it's not possible, guys. But however, whenever there is a chance, I will do the giveaway. I promise you guys, because for me, each and every one of you guys are the same. And the giveaway from this huge lot, picking one winner is unfair, but that's how it works. You have to consider the other factors as well. I hope you guys understand. And to enter the giveaway, it's so simple as always. Of course, you need to be the subscriber for this channel. In case if you're already subscribed, what you have to do, you have to like and comment on this video, and also follow me and ToastSmith on Instagram in order to enter this giveaway, guys. I will announce the winner for this giveaway 7 days after this video goes live. Having said that, all the very best, guys.